This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics set. Confirm your display resolution and refresh rate in Windows or Mac OS, and update your GPU drivers and Fortnite. This prevents odd scaling. Once done, launch Fortnite and open Settings. Go straight to Video and set display mode to full screen or windowed full screen, depending on input lag preference. Full screen gives best performance. Make sure the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution, so the game scales correctly and avoids blur or black bars. Now you'll refine scaling so graphics look correct. Set both resolution and HUD scale to your monitor's native values to align UI and gameplay. Mismatched HUD scale makes elements appear off-screen. If the image is stretched, reduce or increase the 3D resolution in small steps to correct aspect without killing performance. Toggle VSync or pixel mapping options to lock rendering to display pixels. This prevents jitter and incorrect scaling that causes cropped edges or smearing. Finish by applying settings and restarting the game to ensure changes stick. Sometimes a reboot of Fortnite or your PC is required. If the screen still crops or black bars remain, open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel, and set scaling to display or enable integer scaling to force 1 pixels. If nothing works, reset Fortnite settings to default and redo only resolution and display mode. Key troubleshooting tip: if the game is stretched, check both OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.